have you availed yourself of, when you kind of came back, have you availed yourself of any of the opportunities in Connecticut, whether it's trade groups or trainings or whatever, to kind of get yourself up to speed with the manufacturing community and environment in Connecticut and kind of get you plugged into the community, as it were?
I'm starting to. I mean, I started to a bit last year, but because I was on the road so much, it was really hard for me. I joined associations and organizations, but then I couldn't really attend anything because I was always on the road, and it was becoming really hard. Especially, as I said, when I join something, I like to do it 120%. So last year was tough. This year, I am 100% all in because I am grounded and I'm here. And honestly, the social aspect of things is quite nice. It's really nice to be able to. That golf event that we had at Manufacture Connecticut, it was really nice to go out there and be with other people and to meet other people in manufacturing and things like that. The Center for Family Business, that was another, which unfortunately it's sort of fallen apart, but since COVID hit, but that was another area that I found. I mean, that was a really, really amazing experience, being in a room full of people that had family businesses as well. And being a part of that manufacturing community was really cool. And also just seeing how many women are now getting involved in it. It's something that I'm definitely taking advantage of now, especially now that I'm around.